Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this double-in head unit special for Volkswagen Skoda seat. Okay, it runs Android 12 system. Okay, this comes with the canvas decoder box and this factory plug and play. Okay, and it's built in the microphone and the reset of their SD card slot. This volume, this home button, back button. Okay, let me check. You can choose the time, or logo, and speed, music, navigation, and let me back the home. And Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. And you can change the SIM color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and you can set the app like radio. When you click radio, it shows the radio stations. You can search the radio stations. Okay, this radio, and you can set the name. You can choose the Google Maps, and when you click, it will show the Google Maps. Okay, all apps are here. You can check it built in the Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this application installer, you can install the manage Auto Link and Bluetooth built-in Play Store. You can download the application from it. YouTube and instructions is user menu. You can check it already built in the system. Okay, and let me check the settings. You can check BAT device, Android variant, Android 12. And it built all the languages. Memory, it's total memory 8 GB. Storage, internal storage, total 128 GB. This network connect Wi-Fi and SIM card. It can put the SIM card on back of the blue connector. Show the SIM card slot. You can put the 4G SIM card, get the 4G work. Okay, and these settings display their SIM style. Total 8 SIM style you can display. And this button light, you can change the color. Any color you can adjust to this panel. Okay. But device, you can check Android 12 variant and DDR 8 GB, total 128 GB. This is factory settings, password, and others you need to set the brake with 0. If not, you can't watch a video. Okay, first let me show their Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Use Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search button. You can search the Bluetooth. Your phone will get the message, please click pair. It's paired Bluetooth and you can make phone call. Okay, it work with Bluetooth. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it work with streaming music from your phone. Okay. You can play the music. And this DSP amplifier. Okay, and play video. This 4K video. This PRP picture-in-picture function. Long press. It will show the split screen. You can run in Google navigation and video or music at the same time. Okay. Full screen. Okay, you can visit our website belsee.com to contact us. belsee.com. This is our latest exclusive and Tesla style screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit us and contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.